What's up, people? Gonna take my Mustang out for a drive. Let's rev it up so you guys can hear it. When I come back for a spin, I'll open up the hood and we'll go through it.